If you're exclusively pumping, you're feeding your baby breast milk, and that deserves just as much support as nursing directly. Welcome to Pump with Thilly, where we make your breastfeeding journey easier, one step at a time. Exclusive pumping means your baby receives expressed breast milk instead of nursing directly at the breast. Whether you chose this path, needed it because of latch difficulties, returned to work, or simply found pumping works best for your family, you are still breastfeeding. And yes, exclusive pumping can be challenging, but with the right routine, it can become much more manageable. In the early weeks, your pumping schedule is especially important for establishing your milk supply. Many new moms pump frequently throughout the day and night, often aiming for around 8 sessions in 24 hours. Your exact needs can vary, so pay attention to your body, your baby's intake, and guidance from your healthcare provider or lactation professional. Make sure your pump settings feel comfortable. Higher suction does not automatically mean more milk. Start gently and increase suction only to a comfortable level. Your breast shield should also fit properly. Pain, swelling, rubbing, or consistently poor milk removal can be signs that your flange size needs to be reassessed. Creating a pumping station can make life much easier. Keep your pump, collection bottles, water, snacks, phone charger, and cleaning supplies nearby. When possible, try to rest while pumping instead of treating every session like another chore. Milk storage is another important part of exclusive pumping. Freshly expressed milk should be handled carefully, stored in clean containers, labeled with the date, and kept according to current breast milk storage recommendations. When in doubt, follow guidance from the CDC or your healthcare professional. And remember, your pumping journey does not have to look like anyone else's. Some moms produce a full supply, while others produce less and supplement with formula or donor milk. Your baby being fed and you being supported both matter. Exclusive pumping can feel overwhelming, but you do not have to figure it all out alone. At Pump with Thilly, we're here to help you feel more confident, informed, and supported throughout your journey.